Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, I say a very big thank you to you. If you're a returning subscriber, a very big thank you. Don't forget to click on the link and share. Also, tell people about the channel. We have other channels to call AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Please go subscribe, because the rich stuff is in there also. The learning videos are there also. And you can go to our Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and for Facebook, AYA Cosmetic. You know what I mean? And if you're looking for the right place to buy your recipe, oh my God, this is the right place. The number on your screen. We ship worldwide. Cosmetic, or you're looking for ingredients such as organic ingredient also. We sell everything and we deliver within 4 days outside the country. Are you getting it? That is it. Okay, let's jump into it. As a matter of fact, I want to use this medium of time to give you a formula how you can make your sunblock or sunscreen and with a full assurance, because most of us, let me tell you, most of us, we're doing some things we don't know and it damage our skin because we follow YouTube too much. Why not do some reading also? Like when you follow these YouTube things, okay, then you go do research, you read, to back up with what you've watched on the video. Then that can really help you. You just can't jump on it because, as I'm saying, most of y'all, what you just do, real quick, where he started, real quick, miss this, miss that. That's what you guys do. But it's not advisable, please. It's not advisable. Try and finish the video, watch the video end to end, end to end. It's gonna help all of us. It's gonna save us from a lot of questions, because like when I see some video out there where they say, oh, how to do some sunblock, sunscreen, this, I said, no, it doesn't want it. And some people, they will be calling some items, some agent, like, I said, Christ, is this what you're putting up that out there for people to go do? It doesn't really want it. Some video when I watched when a lady called, I said, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, and it called a lot more. Like this one she called was like, oh, I was like, zinc oxide? Wow. Are you talking about this? These are not organic at all. Are you getting? They are not. These are mineral agent. You calling organic. Did you even read all these things out before you pull up and telling people about that? And most of you, like, you want to do this and you won't get it right because you don't have the right lab equipment. So you will get it right at all. Are you getting this? So I don't advise you doing your own sunblock at home. You understand? Like, just imagine you say, oh, sunblock, it didn't work, it making me black, using it, because I advise you, instead of you, like, you should use it ordinarily, or you use it to mix your lotion. I advise some people say, oh, it make me black. It don't make you black at all. The reason why it make you black is because maybe you're using it wrongly, or it could be that, yes, you're using it wrongly, that's all. And you're missing to the wrong lotion. You understand? Yes, but for those of you who want to use it as a whitening, you want to add it to your whitening cream, why not add it to a whitening lotion? Why are you adding to, you're adding it to some, no, you should add it to your whitening lotion, and it should be on the whitening lotion if you really want to say, okay, you want it to make you maintain your color. Are you getting? If you're white in nature, or you just light in nature, or you are bright in nature, or whatever, just maintain your color. So that depends on what you're gonna mix it with. I would advise, if you're white in nature, then mix it with a whitening lotion. Are you getting? If you're bright in nature, mix it with a bright lotion. If you're light in lotion, mix it with a light lotion, and that's gonna help you to go a long way. Are you getting it for your chocolate? Why don't mix it with a chocolate lotion? You know, so these are just the logic. So before we dive into it, I can say you use it at night if you're using it directly in the body. Use it at night because you don't expect when you use it in the daytime and you go out because you use it in the daytime. Definitely the sun, because this is Nigeria, this is Africa. The sun in here is crazy, so it's gonna hit you and it's gonna change your color. So they say it make me black. Of course, definitely it's gonna make you black. Are you getting it? Because when you wear on your body a product in your body, and of course, and which is not right with what you mix it with, like the sun gonna hit the product, so it's not gonna work. Rather, it will affect you to make you black more and more. Are you getting it? So that's that. So right now, let's dive into it to see how to make the sunblock, or rather, how to make a sunscreen. Are you getting it? But before you do this, make sure you have the right equipment that you can use to make it. Are you getting it? Let me quickly list the things, the items we'll be using, right? Okay, because it's very good so that we will be writing together. When I gonna say all this, though, I will put them in the screen. I'll put them on the screen for you to see, because I love putting on the screen for you. Okay, for those of you who want to use it on lightning, so let's go with the lightning lotion. So scoop 30 ml out. When you scoop 30 ml out, then put it in a clean container or bowl, because before that you must have sterilized it. Because remember what we are doing, you can use any 30 ml of your lotion. Then you use a 4-day serum. You know, this 4-day serum, you use it because we're using this 4-day serum because it's going to help, as they have the active procedure we needed. So we're going to apply that also. Then we're going to use our sunblock, and the sunblock we're going to use not just ordinary sunblock, but rather the sunblock that will always do its work and also clear the face also, because there are some sunblock, their work in there is just sunblock to prevent the sun from you, while some also they act after being preventing, they act as a redness remover or any hyperpigmentation remover. They clear the body, any yama in your body, they clear it also. So you're gonna use effective one as that's the. So then we're gonna use our aloe vera extract. We can use our aloe vera, just mix it with warm water. It's good that way. You use aloe vera, mix it with warm water. You can just mix it with warm water. Or then again, you can use your miracle powder, because a lot of you don't even know what miracle powder is being made of. So you can use your miracle powder. Your miracle powder is still as good as the aloe vera, because that is what it's being made of. So you can use your miracle powder. So then again, we'll be using our aloe vera gel. Yes, we'll be using our aloe vera gel, and lastly, we'll use our quick clear oil. Okay, so let's begin properly. Now put your aloe vera gel in a cup. Are you getting it? We're using 10 ml of it. You know, not just ordinary aloe vera gel. Then you cannot mix it. We're using our aloe vera gel as the base, remember? So now you cannot mix it with the aloe vera extract. You mix it with it. You can see it on the screen. The aloe vera on the screen. So you cannot mix with aloe vera extract in it, because you know aloe vera have the tendency to calm every wrong information on your skin. Yes, it have the tendency to calm every wrong information on your skin, if you don't know that. So that's why we're using our aloe vera gel. Are you getting it? Because you should know all these things. You just say, Mrs. They don't tell you all these things. They just say, Mrs. You put your aloe vera, you put this, you put that, you put it. Did you ever bother to ask questions? What's aloe vera gel doing in my my cream? Are you getting it? So we should be asking information, so or you go make research about it. So now you can add your skin perfecting serum, which is that 4 days serum I told you about, you can add it. You know, you just put 3 spoon of it. Yes. Hence, you've put your aloe vera gel and the aloe vera extract because that double the concentration of it. You know, so you can add this skin perfecting serum 4 days. You know, add that one. So it will really make it a long way. So makes it proper, makes it very well. While doing all these things, having in mind that what you're producing is gonna work. Because I hate people who make what they produce after they finish producing their lotions or whatever they produce for people out there, they don't use it. No. What I'm showing you is just the secret of it all. If it didn't work, come in here and drop the comment, bro, what you taught me, it didn't work, you know. Then I will tell you where you went wrong about it. Because what I'm telling you is what I'm using. It's what I'm using. Don't forget. Remember, I'm doing this for the ladies. And they say, why are you doing all this for the ladies? You love ladies. I love that because you came out of a lady. You know, wherever you are, you came out of a lady. So I love making ladies beautiful. That's the logo. Okay? Alright, it's only men who are doing skincare things, so they said. Okay, let's drive, you know, all walk, no play, make Jack a dog boy. Yeah? Don't forget that our skin perfector has propylene glycol, which is going to help this sunblock we making right now to penetrate, to make deep penetration inside our body, you know, to make it work effectively. So after that, now we're going to add our quick clear remover. Again, just put 1 spoon. Yes, 1 spoon is okay, which is going to help to remove every dark spot or every redness, you know, from the body, you know, from your face. So all of this is just, the truth is that all of this is just we trying to make the right sunblock for ourselves, and it should be mixed, should be put in a white whitening lotion. Are you getting it? You can put in a lightening lotion, or you can put in a brightening lotion. You can put in also just any other lotion you're using. It's all skin type, you know. It's very easy for me to make cream for all skin type than to be selective. Are you getting it? So always have this in mind, that what we produce right now, what we make it right now, is the right one we making, not some items that we've been put together. You hear from YouTube, this one saying no, this is what we know best, it works, this is what we read about, and this is what we read about, and this is what we've put into test. This is what we've put into test, into action, and we started using it. We see proof. Are you getting it? So let's continue. Now lastly, let's put our sunblock cream. No, you know, I told you this is original one. Are you getting it? So now you cannot put just a 10 ml of it. No, 10 ml is just too much. So just put 15 ml of it. Yes, you put into all of what we've just said now. Then mix properly. Like as I told you, after doing this, you can use any lotion. I told you you can use any lotion of your own choice. You can use any whitening lotions. You can use any brightening lotions. You can use any of the lotions, you know, that you lightening lotions as well. You can use for yourself. Are you getting it? So now once you finish mixing it properly, you can put it into another clean container. At least with this you've done, it's good to use. It's good to use. Trust me. It's good to go. It's good to go. Are you getting it? It's good to go. Yeah. So for those of you who follow this full step well, you can always come to my DM and talk to me about it and how you feel, how it's working, and drop your comment below also. You can just drop your comment on YouTube so that other persons can see the testimony. You understand? You can send us pictures as well via our Facebook, or via our Instagram, or via our WhatsApp number. Send us pictures, you know, how it works on you. Don't forget, in case you want to buy your skincare recipe, or you want to buy your organic ingredient, or you want to buy your cosmetic, we can always sell for you. And we said your original ones we ship worldwide. AY Cosmetic Nigeria. You know, we the best, baby. We always want to make the ladies look beautiful. That is our agenda, okay? So if it's really hot in you, don't feel hot. We also make everybody look beautiful also, you know. As a matter of fact, some people, they want to judge me. Don't judge me at all. Don't judge me at all. I'm just saying this, you getting it? We make everybody look beautiful. So we've come to the end of the class. If you have any troubles in your skin, you have any problem in your skin, you can always come to talk to me on WhatsApp. We'll see how we go about it. You want us to treat any skin irritation, any infection of your skin, you can always come to WhatsApp and talk to us about it. We can do all that for you.